If you don't like wasting time but still love Excel, then these shortcuts are your new best friends. 1. Ctrl+C. For copy, select your data and hit these keys to copy in a flash. 1. Ctrl+V. For paste, pasting your copied data has never been easier. 1. Ctrl+Z. For undo, made a mistake? No worries, just undo it instantly. 1. Ctrl+Y. For redo, change your mind? Redo the last undone action. 1. Ctrl+FG. To find, quickly locate any data in your sheet. 1. Ctrl+H. For replace, swap out data in seconds without breaking a sweat. 1. Ctrl+Shift+L. For filter, turn on filters to organize your data easily. 1. Ctrl+A. To select all, need everything? Select all with a single shortcut. 1. Ctrl+P. For print, print your sheet without the hassle. 1. Alt+E+S+V. For paste special values. Paste just the values, not the formulas. And there you have it. Start using these shortcuts today and become an Excel pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Now that you've mastered the basics, let's level up your Excel game with some intermediate shortcuts that will make you even more efficient. 1. Ctrl plus arrow keys. For quick navigation, jump to the edges of your data in any direction with lightning speed. 1. Ctrl plus Shift plus arrow keys. For quick selection, select large ranges of data instantly by combining these keys. 1. Ctrl+W. To insert current date, quickly stamp today's date in your cell. 1. Ctrl plus Shift plus. To insert current time. Need the exact time? This shortcut has got you covered. 1. Ctrl+1. To format cells. Open the Format Cells dialog box to customize your data's appearance. 1. Ctrl plus Shift plus $. To apply currency format. Instantly format your data as currency. 1. Ctrl plus Shift plus %. To apply percentage format. Convert your data to percentages with a simple shortcut. 1. Ctrl plus Shift plus #. To apply date format, change your data to date format instantly. 1. Ctrl plus Shift plus, and. To add border, quickly add borders around your selected cells. 1. Ctrl plus Shift plus _. To remove border, just as easily, remove borders from your cells. These intermediate shortcuts will save you even more time and make you look like an Excel wizard. Stay tuned for advanced tips in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel hacks.